In most hotel booking forms, guests are asked to enter their check-in date, check-out date, and the number of days they'd like to request meals. But here's the catch. A guest staying for 3 nights shouldn't be able to request meals for 5 days. To avoid such mismatches, let's make your hotel reservation form smarter with Zoho Forms today. Start by creating a hotel booking form with these 3 fields. Check-in date, check-out date, number of days meals are required. Now to calculate the total number of days the guest will stay, add a formula field. Use the dative function in the formula to calculate the difference between the checkout and check-in dates, and name it number of days of stay. To keep things neat, hide this formula field in the Forms field properties. Now go to the Rules tab and click on Deny Submissions. Set the condition like this. Let's add our first rule for meals required days is greater than days of stay. If number of days meals are required is greater than number of days of stay, deny submission and show a custom error message like this. Click Add to save your rule and you are done. Now, if someone tries to request more meal days than their stay, the form blocks the submission, keeping your records clean and error-free. Start automating your room reservation process with Zoho Forms and improve operational accuracy today.